Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open new car hood of your BMW 1 Series vehicle. Open the driver's side and then at the left side of your pedals you can see a lever. This lever we have to pull one time and the second one pull. That means you have to pull this lever twice. The first step is to unlock the hood. The second step is to open it. After this, the only way you have to do is lift up the car hood and you are able to get into, or you can get into the engine room. After this, you finish your work, smash the car hood 40 centimeters above the hood down, and then it is closed easily. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. I'll see you next time again on my channel. Soon.